We've got 10. So one missing still, I think. Or maybe not. I think it might have just arrived behind the bush. So it doesn't look like any of them have been successful in their hunts. I can't see any blood on any of them. James, general direction seems to be back north through the block between Vulture's Nest and Yellow Road South. Copy, thanks. So it looks like they're changing direction again. So wild dogs are a little bit different to other predators, and Ellen in Arkansas is wondering, would they let the pregnant alpha feed first, or would it just be a free-for-all for like lions, for example? No, wild dogs are actually incredible like that, they would regurgitate for the female if she didn't get enough food, and they would rather go hungry than the alpha go hungry. They also are the only one of the predators that puts the babies higher on the social hierarchy than themselves. So it's a very, very interesting social structure. So I'm going to have to concentrate again as we try to follow them through here. Sam, they change direction, head round towards Vulture's Nest junction with Central. So they're being very kind at the moment and taking a relatively kind path through this block for us. Okay, so we're still with the pack. And it looks like the whole pack has been reunited. Oh, elephants. There's elephants and the dogs together. Now this could get really exciting. Look at that. Elephants and the wild dogs. I'm going to try and get in behind there. You've got to be very careful with this situation now. We've seen these Ellies really chase wild dogs before. Let's get into it. There we go. Here it comes. Look at that. Look at that. Isn't that amazing? Ephraim, they ran into some love on Vulture's Nest. They're now heading towards Central, probably 100 meters from the junction. I'm stuck behind the Ndlov. Copy, thanks. Sam, did you copy that? Stand by in Central, about 100 meters to the east of the junction with Vulture's Nest. I'm just stuck with the Ellies at the moment. If the Ndlov will chase them, I dash. So wasn't that exciting, guys? Look how those elephants corralled. Now, they're a bit upset, so I'm obviously not going to try sneak past them as such. I'm hoping Sam can get to the other side. Oh, there go the dogs behind the elephants. Ellies didn't even know what was going on. There's my Dutch have headed back towards Twin Dams in this Makulu Klatin between Vulture's Nest and the Moati. Now, Copy James, I'd say a bit further north, probably closer to Quarantine Edge from the direction they're heading. Okay, so we've got a Mexican standoff here, one that I don't think I'm going to win. Now, those Ellies are already upset, and sometimes they can sort of misplace aggression onto the next closest thing, which would be us. That's why we're staying our distance a little bit. Wasn't amazing.